Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I never thought about using the interactive fill tool and then doing the lens effect to get this effect. I've changed my colors a little bit to maybe kind of get something better. So I just did it, and then I just used the interactive fill tool. So I made red stars, and then I just made the interactive fill. And since it's grouped together, I can move my interactive fill tool around. So what we're going to do now, this is all one group. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to take an ellipse, and I'm using somebody else's file that I was working on earlier. They must have fill. So with that selected, go to Object and go down to Lens and Lens Effect, and then go down to Fisheye and look at that. Now we're going to go ahead and freeze that, or frozen. And the good thing, what to do, I'm going to take away the red outline, but if we put a black box to make it, that would bug me. You shouldn't, well, I say you shouldn't, I don't know. I can't imagine having feel in everything you draw. But that looks pretty good in itself, but then you need to take, for some reason, the lens effect puts a white background. So just click on it, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it. And then don't grab one of the stars, grab some of the white and hit Delete. And it deleted a line around there, and then grab it again and hit Delete, and you get that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.